Discipline is the key to get success in our life because discipline creates such a kind of organization in which everybody has a certain kind of responsibility to fulfill, and in this manner the allotment of work will provide a complex and dynamic organization to flourish gradually. We can see discipline in the prayer time of any school or any church. We can see discipline in the greater manner in the section of army. Army is known to discipline. All the soldiers are well trained because of the discipline. Discipline is as important as our character because our character is built with the help of discipline. If we do not have discipline, we do not have punctuality, then we cannot be honored anywhere. A person who does anything with delay regularly will create a negative image regarding the time in the eyes of them who are connected with him. What is the reason that discipline is essential? We have understood right now, and for the purpose of teaching the value of the discipline, so many teachers are available in our society. We become a social animal because of the discipline, and indisciplined students create chaos. Spoils all kinds of good qualities. Discipline is the reason by which a person can be great, honored, and any institution, any company, any organization, any firm is organized with the help of discipline. What can I say more than this? Discipline is the symbol to be civilized. Above all, I can say that discipline is nothing except the art of living. Discipline is deeply connected with etiquettes and then moral perception. A teacher cannot teach well in the classroom if in his classroom discipline is not available, and parents cannot teach good manners if discipline is not available, and the career of the students will be spoiled in the absence of discipline. Discipline provides a scheduled life. A scheduled life means a life in which time is fixed, and time is money, it is said, but in my eyes, time is character. A person who does not honor time cannot make an ideal character because the level of flourishment is so high. The potentiality is hidden in the people is so high. But how can we discover those potentialities? We can execute our talent in the presence of lackness of time? Of course, not possible. We can be flourished in the absence of slight discipline, but we cannot be flourished as much as we should be in the absence of discipline. Discipline is in this way a way to listen somebody else and then to provide feedback to somebody else. Discipline provides two-sided discussion in the healthy manner. But in the absence of discipline, we can use any kind of language to humiliate, to hurt somebody else, and in this way people will get ill feelings inside regarding you. So in my opinion, if you want to get success, then discipline will provide you success. Discipline is the key to succeed in your life. A student or a competitor who is preparing for examination or career or any kind of competition cannot get the aim in life if he or she does not have discipline. So discipline makes a country great. It is quite clear, because discipline makes a student extreme talented. Discipline makes a student an excellent personality in the classroom, not only in the classroom, in the vision of the people too. Discipline provides a reason to get praise everywhere. That's why never compromise with your discipline. Everybody will honor you if you have discipline, and then you will be apple of somebody's eyes. Automatically your heart will be Adam's apple, and you have the blue blood if you have discipline. This is enough, I think, to know the value of discipline. The students are tomorrow's future, and without discipline their career cannot be flourished. So discipline plays the vital role in the life of the students. Have a nice day.